Good morning, Year 2. It's Friday and it's the 5th of March. And wow, that is the end of our online home learning. Give yourselves a really big pat on the back because the work we have received has been second to none. It's been outstanding. A really big thank you to all of you parents as well, all of your grown-ups who have sat there day after day helping you do this work, watching our videos, emailing the work in. We really, really do appreciate it. We really do. So thank you. So let's move on to today. Last day, there's Bob. Last day to warm up with Bob. Are we ready? Bob's got his warm up. Let's see what he's got planned for us. Ooh, robot more or less? Let's go up to 10. Start the game. Let's see what happens. Drag the robots to the correct answer. Okay? So we need to add this robot up. 4 add 1. Got a little number line at the bottom here. So we've got 4. We're going to jump 1 and we end on 5. So can I find number 5 up here? Oh, there's number 5 robot. So let's drag him all the way to number 5. Okay, he's staying put. So I think we're okay. Let's do the next one. 1 add 1. 2. Let's move him to 2. Ready for the next one? 8 add 1. So 8 and 1 more makes 9. 7 add 1. So again, 7. 1 more than 7 is it 4 or is it 8? That's right, it's 8. And then the last one is 3 add 1. 3 add 1 or 3. 1 more than 3 is, let's see, take it to 4. Let's check. Oh, they've all lit up. Well done, it's just said. So you can have a go at playing that at home on your own, on your iPads or whatever tablet you've got, okay? Have a little go, match them up to the correct robot. But for now, we're going to go on to today's learning, okay? And today, it says, can I write statements using mathematical signs relating to addition and subtraction? Oh, it's a bit of a mouthful, isn't it? So what you're doing today is we need to look at these signs here. We've got the add sign, the subtract sign or the take away, and we have the equal sign. So I'm just going to write them on here. We have add, and then this one is subtract, or sometimes we'll say take away, but I will write subtract. Subtract. And then we have this sign, which means we're putting it all together to find the answer. And this means equals. Equals. Okay? Fantastic. So let's have a look at what we're doing today. Oh, now we have got some sweeties on the screen. We have 3 sweeties here. We have 1, 2 sweeties here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sweeties here. And we need to fill in the missing signs because can you see? We've got nothing in between. So we don't know what we've got to do. We don't know whether we've got to add or subtract. So we've got 3. So these are our two quantities. Okay, so 3 here and 2 here. What would we do to them to get 5 as the answer? What would we have to do? What would we have to do? So we started with 3. So we know we've got to, what have we got to do to get 5? We've got 3. So 3 is a smaller number than 5. So what have we got to do to get 5? That's right, we need to add some more, don't we? Because I've only got 3 sweeties. I need to add 2 more to get 5. So that's just told us what symbol I need to be putting in. I need the add symbol here. So 3 add 2 equals, you can have a go right to the numbers as well if you want. 3 add 2 equals 5. Excellent. So in your book, on page 24 and 25, focusing on page 25, you have got to do just that. Add those symbols in what we've just been doing on the board. Let's have another go. So I've got 1 here, I've got 3 here, and I've got 4 here. So I've got 1 sweetie, but I've ended up with 4. So what do I need to do to get that answer? What do I need to do to get that answer? That's right, I need to add. So I've got 1 sweetie, I've added 3 sweets, and I've ended up with 4. So 1 add 3 equals 4. Let's have a look at the next one. Oh, now, are we ready? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweets there. And I've got 1, 2 there. But I'm ending up with 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I've got 6 and I add them too, am I going to have 4? Because actually 4 is a lower number than 6, the number I'm starting with. So I can't add. So actually it tells me I need to subtract. So 6 take away 2 or subtract 2 equals 4. I've got 6, 2, 4. Does that make sense? Super. Carry on. All right, we've got some more here as well. So here I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 sweeties here. 4 sweeties here. But I'm ending up with 3. So am I adding them? Am I going to add those together to get 3? Because actually, it looks like I've got more here than I should have at the end, okay? So actually, we know we're not adding. I'm going to need to take some away. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 take away 4 equals 3. So again, you can carry on with that in your booklet on question 1, okay? It will show you how to do it. Let's move on. All right, I need to fill in the missing symbols again. And now I haven't got pictures to help me. I've got numbers. So 4 something 3 add 7. So am I going to put an add or a subtract sign? 4 and something, 4 something 3 and 7. So 4 is a smaller number than 7. So I know I need to add more numbers to make it 7. So 4 add 3 equals 7. Now there's something missing on this one. 10 subtract 4 or take away 4, and I've got 6. So what symbol is missing here? Is it an add, subtract, or an equals? That's right, we've got an equal sign. And then here, 9 take away 7, and they're missing a sign, and we've got 2. That's right, yet again, it is another equals. So in your book on question 2, it says fill in the missing signs. So you've got to do just what Mrs. O'Keefe has just done on the board. Last one, let's have a go. So we've got to turn these pictures into sums, okay? Turn these pictures into sums. So I've got 1 sweetie, add 1 sweetie equals 2 sweeties. So I've got 1 sweetie, add 1 sweetie equals 2 sweetie. So that way, that's pictorial, that way is the same as 1 and 1 equals 2. Let's move on to the next one. I've got 3, take away 1 equals 2, because I've got 3 sweeties here. I've got 1 sweetie here, and I've got 2 sweeties here. So 3 sweeties, take away, because there's a take away sign, 1 sweetie equals how many? 2. So go and have a go, year 2. Question number 3 is exactly the same what I've just done in the board, just might differ slightly with the numbers, okay? Go and do it, send it in, and well done for all that home learning again. I'll see you on Monday.